In this video, I'm about to show you how to do YouTube video SEO with vidIQ. First, create an account on vidIQ to access its tools and features. Next, use vidIQ's keyword research tool to find relevant and high-performing keywords for your video. Now enter your main topic, and vidIQ will provide a list of keywords along with their search volumes and competition levels. Then check out what your competitors are doing by using vidIQ's competitor analysis feature. This will give you insights into their tags, titles, and descriptions. Incorporate the keywords you found into your video title, description, and tags. Make sure your title is catchy and includes the main keyword, while your description provides more context and includes secondary keywords. After that, add relevant SEO tags to your video to improve its visibility in search results. vidIQ can help you identify the best tags to use. Then use vidIQ's analytics to track the performance of your videos. This will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Based on the analytics, make adjustments to your video titles, descriptions, and tags to continuously improve your SEO efforts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.